Hey guys, Sydney Tapper here with TNT Pressure Washing out of Nesbitt, Mississippi. This week we are in Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and been able to go and visit some other pressure washing companies and things like that, along with seeing my son at Northwest Florida State College. But Wink got me this shirt today from Panhandle. You might see me start wearing it around. People might ask questions, but I'll be willing to talk pressure washing. And that's what we're doing today. I'm out, outside of a house that we rented. See, my truck's sitting out here in front of this house. And of course, while I'm out, I always look at stuff. Look at this concrete, pretty nasty. Look at this concrete, pretty nasty. This is a rental house. If you're gonna rent this out, it should be clean. People that rent out houses, VRBOs, things like that, property managers, this is something that's very easy to be taken care of. Look at this. How nasty is that? You want customers to refer this house to other people. Look at this. Look. Bugs, complete nastiness, all up in there. It just kills me. That stuff that just is simple, that can be taken care of. Homeowners, people, VRBOs, people like that, get your house cleaned. Give us a call, 901-258-2311. We'll be glad to get it taken care of. Make it where it's presentable to other people. That if you're renting that house out, get it cleaned up so it's presentable. People like clean houses. They don't want to walk up to moldy, mildew, and all that. Give us a call. Thanks.